Welcome to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy, and quick. Today I'm going to show you how to do burgers. Simple, easy, plain burgers. But I add something that really just adds that another layer of yumminess to it, which I will reveal to you during the video. I'm going to start with the onion. Here I have about 1 kg of minced beef. The best cut of beef would be from the shoulder, or it's called chuck, because it has that right balance of fat to meat. So you want like up to 15% is a good. Some people like 20%. I find it just a little too much. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper. I'm gonna add the onions. Wish this a sauce. So I'm just splitting into 4 bowls. This way, each one will weigh around 250 grams, because a perfect burger should not be less than 2 centimeters in thickness. And now it's ready for the grill. The temperature has to be high. Now we're gonna leave it to cook around 3 to 4 minutes on the first side, then maybe around 3 minutes on the other side with the lid closed. Some onions, tomato. This is called, it's a burger brioche. A lot of supermarkets have it. It's really delicious. It's very big, and trust me, I won't be able to bite into this, but it's yummy. One mistake people do when they grill burgers, they start pressing on the burger with the spatula, and that's very, very wrong. It's a no-no, because all you're doing is pushing all the juices out of your burger, and you're just going to end up with something really dry. So never do that. We're just going to toast the bread a little bit. The burger's almost there. You see how my burgers, the front ones are charred more than the back ones. That's because the back of my barbecue is hotter. It's very important you rest your burgers, cover in foil for a few minutes. Now we're going to assemble the burgers. Mayonnaise, mustard, see the juices? This is the perfect burger when you get that juice. Some onions, the tomato, this is a tower burger. Look at these juices. It's delicious. It's juicy, it's yummy, it's massive. I can't eat the whole thing, but really, it's just a technique. The ratio of fat to meat has to be right, the temperature has to be right, high, and just please don't press on the burger. Enjoy.